Hello my dear, welcome back. I'm Ellie, your favourite British English pronunciation coach, and in the video today we're going to look at 3 vowels. We're going to look at cap, cup and cop. Cap, cup, cop. I'm going to teach you the difference between these 3 sounds, and I will show you later in the video how to practice these 3 sounds together. These 3 vowels have more in common than they have differences, and this makes them quite hard. I want you to notice first of all that they are all short. Cap, cup, cop. I want you also to notice that the tongue is low in the mouth. A, o. The difference that I do want you to notice is that they are all moving from front to back. A, o. A, o. I'm going to explain each of these sounds in detail to you now. The first sound is cap. A, a. Look at my mouth, it's wide open. A, a. The tongue is at the bottom of my mouth and the back of the tongue is pushed forward a little bit. It's not touching the back at all, but neither is it coming too far forward. Ah, ah, ah. Now let's look at cup, My jaw here is much more relaxed. My mouth doesn't feel like it's under any tension at all, and the tongue is also more relaxed. And you may have noticed that there's very little difference between this sound and the unstressed schwa vowel. Let's compare cap and cup. You can hear that difference, can't you? But you can also see it in the shape of my mouth. And now let's look at cop. O. This vowel is made at the back of the mouth. You can see, can't you, that my jaw is a very different shape from the other 2 vowels, and this different shape is really important. The back of my tongue is slightly further back than it was for cap, but it's the shape of the mouth that's doing the work here. The rounding of these lips creates a bit of a tube, and this changes the sound. O. And this makes it feel like my tongue has less space to move than it did for cap, but it's actually the position of the mouth that's doing the difference, and the tongue isn't really moving so very much. O, cop. Let's have a look then at this pair. Cup, cop, cup, cop. You can really see again, can't you, that different mouth shape. Cup, cop, cup, cop. So finally, let's practice these 3 vowels together. When you are practicing, it is very helpful to practice sounds individually, but also to practice them with their neighbours. So we have a, o. A, o. A, o. Let's go backwards. O, a. O, a. O, a. O, a. Your neighbours are going to wonder what on earth you're doing, but we don't care about that. A, o. O, a. All right, very well done. Pronunciation, it is so physical. This is what it looks like. This is what you need to do. If you are interested in learning all 44 sounds of British English, somewhere around my head right now there is a link to a playlist. This is a series of live videos with all of the sounds in there. There's also a free booklet for you which you can download. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.